Hey guys, it's Jackson C here. Today I'm back with some off-road outlaws. Well, actually not really back, because I never truly was here. But, yeah. So, just gonna be playing some off-road outlaws with you guys today. Nothing... driving around. Honestly, on the off-road outlaws, people, try to grind and everything. I just try to get enough money to make good vehicles, and I like enjoying it. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm acting like I'm drunk or something in this video. This is a voiceover, so, stuff is delayed. But, yeah. Yeah, I don't like repairing the vehicles. It always costs cash. Don't you just hate ads? Like, they don't even make sense. Why do you have ads in the game? Like, I understand it's for, getting stuff, but half the time it's free, so what money does it earn, right? Yeah, oh, here's my free candy van. This was also put in a couple of YouTube shorts. Actually, I think just one, to be precise. Like trick shots, I guess, tricks in it. They're pretty good usually. Not always great, like amazingly great, but also, it's a bit weird. If you guys have any idea what this is, I can't. If you do, leave in the comments. I'm just gonna respond. So, yeah, this trick is extremely hard. If you have, like, a similar van to what I've built here, it's basically maps out everything. Still gas-powered, brass rims, so... obviously, since you guys are watching the video, so. Okay, right, so that's all for now. Now I'm gonna go back, show you a couple of things, and yeah, that's pretty much all. Wait, did I get that? Yeah. Just in case if you're wondering, that was just me checking if I got that on camera, because that's pretty sick. Yeah. Why do I do this half the time? I brush with danger on this. Like, if I do that, I have to exit the game out, and I can't get back up there. So yeah, that's sort of a shame. But stuff like this is pretty cool. That hurt right there. That hurt pretty badly. I'll be able to do what happened earlier right now. Okay, so go over. So, content like this, because that's my YouTube channel. That was pretty sick. Do all these people know they're actually on YouTube? Oh, you'll probably find it out. Yeah, just checking out the menu. Guys, I hope these people like me too. Who doesn't want some free candy, am I right? Who doesn't want some free candy? Okay, he's observing it. Let's see. What's his reaction? Let's go! One person actually likes my vehicle. Okay, that's sick, man. This is amazing. Oh yeah, I love this vehicle. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. But this vehicle actually is crazy. I know I'm going to. Okay, guys, so that's pretty much all for today. You know, this is also my rig. Just thought I'd show that off. But this is the outro. I figured I'm gonna do something pretty nice. Yeah, I also got this Toyota Helix custom made. Now, hope you guys like this last part.